Hey guys, welcome to INSECTECHS. I'm Kiran Tirkovala and your teacher, and in this class we are going to learn about scanning. So let us start with a slide. What is scanning? I'm pretty much sure that you have once in your lifetime have visited the hospital and the doctors might have performed a scanning on your body. I wish you will never visit hospital, so take care of your health. Health is wealth. But let us assume that you have visited the hospital and some sort of scanning has been performed on your body. Say for example x-ray. X-ray scan is a type of scan that scans your bones to find cracks on the bones when you got some hurt, or to find where exactly your bone is broken. Okay, so the x-ray report will tell you what part of the bone is broken and what is the depth of the crack and so on. Similarly, some other types of body scans will reveal what are the diseases that you have, so that the doctor can start a medical treatment to diagnose or to heal the diseases you have. Similarly, we hackers will do scanning on the networks to find those diseases. I mean, to find those vulnerabilities. So metaphorically speaking, diseases is like vulnerabilities we patch and doctors cure them. So both are same to same, ditto. And so scanning is nothing but diagnosing the network to find a potential vulnerabilities. So scanning, as you can see on the screen or on slide, it is a phase in the hacking process where a hacker uses various tools and techniques to gather information about, again, target and network. So in the scanning process, we potentially find live systems and live ports. Okay, so vulnerabilities, weakness that could exploit to gain unauthorized access to perform malicious activity. So in the scanning methodology, so we first look for the live systems. So check for live systems by doing the ping that we have already did couple of times. We check for open ports. So you have done those classes as well. Scan beyond the IDS. So if you have IDS and it is stopping your ping request or scans, then how to evade those IDS. And you have done this example as well also. And in the previous class, you have done the banner grabbing. So you can ask me, Mr. Kiran, why are you repeating those topics again? What should I do? There are various tools and techniques as you can read on the slide. So I have to cover as per the syllabus, because most of the students here are there to crack CH exam, to pass the CH exam, and the methodology is a systematic process that I have to go step by step. So I have to teach those steps once again. So in the scanning, we will first check for the live systems. Okay, as you can see in the slide, check for the live system, then you will look for the open ports, then for service identification, that is banner grabbing and service identification that we have already did, and vulnerability scanning. So this is the project which is the fifth one we are going to do after couple of classes. And in the attack phase, we are going to draw the network, prepare the proxies, and nuke attack. So these first to 5 steps are part of scanning methodology, from checking for live host till vulnerability scanning. Okay, so what are the types of scanning? We have 3 types of scanning. One is network scanning, port scanning, and vulnerability scanning. So in the network scanning, we will look for live computers, means computers that are currently up and running and responding to ping request. It means that they are connected to internet or intranetwork, a private network or a public network. Then we will scan the ports on all the individual live systems which are part of the network or our target, or part of our target network. Then of course we will do the vulnerability scanning, means finding out the vulnerabilities on those live systems. Okay, now what is network scanning? As you can see in the slide, network scanning is process of identifying then live or active machines on the target network, which is further used to attack or security assessment. Hosts are identified as live or active by IP addresses if IP is responding to simple ping request. As you can see, port scanning, after network scanning is done, means on the live systems, we will scan for the open ports. Okay, then vulnerability scanning, it is proactive method of finding security loopholes, weak spots, and potential access points in a computer network, system application, and other technology infrastructure, is called as a vulnerability scanning. It is an essential step. So after learning till scanning and enumeration, after enumeration classes are completed, we are going to do the vulnerability scanning, which is the project report before conducting the actual attack. Okay, as you can see, this is the ping request that you know very well. So based on the ping request, you can say that that system is live up and responding to ping request. So what is a ping sweep? Ping sweep is a network management technique that involves sending a series of ICMP, that is Internet Control Message Protocol, echo request to range of IP addresses. When we actually do a ping request, that is when we ping an IP address, it is sending an ICMP echo request message on a particular computer only. But ping sweeping is we are sending ICMP echo request messages to entire range of network to find what are all the systems that are live and responding to the ping sweep. So purpose of ping sweep is to identify active host on the network. Okay, we are not targeting single computer, but we are sweeping the entire network. So there are a couple of tools for doing a ping sweep, that is ping utility, pinger, friendly pinger, ws ping, and so on. So we will look couple of tools. Then port scanning. Port scanning is identification process where penetration tester tries to find open ports, TCP/IP open ports on a target network, not only single computer, of course single computer, but here we are concentrating on a target network. If hacker finds open ports based on the port numbers, he will find service running on the target system. Example 80. So here you can see port numbers are classified as well-known, registered, and dynamic. So well-known ports 0 to 1023. Registered ports 1024249151 and dynamic ports 491522655535. And in this slide you can see you have to read, you have to by heart, if not you have to remember by heart all these port numbers so that what services are running on those ports. Okay, FTP 21, telnet 23, SMTP 25, HTTP 80, 443 HTTPS, and so on. So please take a note of these port numbers and these port numbers as well. So what is banner grabbing? We have already done that. Okay, so let us begin the show of scanning. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.